You keep waiting for a sign, for a shift, for someone to show up and hand you the blueprint. But nobody's coming, and some part of you has always known that. You just kept pushing the thought away because it was too heavy to carry. So you distracted yourself with people, with noise, with hope. But the truth? It kept sitting in the corner, watching you fake urgency, watching you scroll, chase, talk, vent, waiting for you to get tired of pretending. They told you to ask for help, to open up, to believe in community. But the truth is, the world doesn't save those who wait. It rewards those who rewire, the ones who looked around at the mess and built anyway. You were taught to survive, not to win. You were taught to obey, not to think. You were taught to wait, not to build. And now you're here, angry, tired, disappointed, still waiting for someone to notice that you've been hurting. But no one notices silence unless it shakes something. The system was never made to rescue you. It was made to harvest your energy, to program your patterns, to keep you manageable. Because a broken man is predictable, a waiting man is controllable, a distracted man is profitable. They can't use you if you become ungovernable. They can't sell to you if you no longer crave approval. They can't pacify you if you stop asking to be saved. So here it is, the version of you that keeps relapsing, talking, hoping, replaying. That version has to die. The version that apologizes for having high standards, that breaks his routines for comfort, that explains his silence. He has to go. You don't evolve by becoming softer. You evolve by becoming colder. Not heartless, but focused. Not reckless, but untouchable. This world doesn't reward the loudest. It rewards the most prepared, the most structured, the most emotionally disciplined. You think you need closure. You think you need healing. You think you need answers. But what you really need is to become someone that pain can no longer confuse. Someone that distractions can no longer reach. Someone that no longer needs saving. Because you already know the truth. It was always on you. They were never coming. Now stop waiting and build anyway. Stay locked in. Stay unreadable. Stay dangerous.